I often get asked whether this is a painful procedure. The amount of discomfort actually varies from person to person, but it's extremely well tolerated. The needles we use are tiny, they're very, very fine. They're the same size, if not smaller, than dental needles and acupuncture needles. So mostly when you're doing the fine work, people just about feel it. I've had people fall asleep during the procedure. It's unusual, but I certainly have had several people fall asleep. The actual solution that we inject can cause a very slight sting occasionally in certain places, but it lasts for a few seconds and goes away. When we're doing the bigger procedures, we're doing the intravenous laser and doing the larger veins that we use ultrasound guidance. Some people can get a slight sting as the veins shut down, but generally it's extremely well tolerated, and the bigger procedures are done under local anesthetic.